ExamGuru. Now, I will be explaining about a very important product. We call it ExamGuru. ExamGuru is the testing software which is probably the most advanced test software available in the market. It is a perfect last-minute tool for students to practice and revise for their examination. ExamGuru has over 1 lakh question bank, which is the largest question bank software in India for students to practice from. Apart from school-based tests, students can also practice competitive level tests like AIEEE, IIT JEE in this software. Now, let us see how to use the software. On opening the ExamGuru application, a student login page appears. Before logging into the software, one has to register oneself. Login page consists of 1. Username and password. 2. Forgot password. 3. Register or add subscription. 4. Sync from server. For a new user, one has to register before using the software. On clicking the register button, student register page will appear. If you are a new user, you need to fill the following entries to register. A. Your name. B. Username. C. Password. D. Confirm password. E. Access code. F. Email ID. G. Guardian mobile number. And H. School name. After filling in the details, choose the register option and then click on register button to register. After having registered in the software, one can log into the software by providing correct username and password in the application window as shown above. In case one forgets the password, one can retrieve it by entering the username in the box and then pressing the Forgot Password button. Since the software can work both online and offline, there can be cases wherein one needs to update the content from the server or share one's information with the server, or in cases when the content on the local system is formatted or lost. One can sync the data by using this Sync from Server button. As you click on this button, it will synchronize your computer with the server and update your local system with the latest information and data. After successful synchronization, server will provide you the latest information for your login ID. After proper login, a welcome page will appear. On the welcome page, you can find the following tabs on the top of the window. 1. My quiz. 2. My progress card. 3. My account. In case you want to run the application without using the internet, you can choose Use Offline Data Bank button. This will directly fetch questions from the database stored in your local machine. This is a very important feature. Using offline data bank, you do not require internet, hence you can use this software while traveling, in school, or in places where you don't have internet facility. In case you want to access the application data bank online, you can choose the Use Online Data Bank button. You can upload your photo by clicking on the Choose Your Photo button. On clicking, an open window will appear and you can upload the photo. For doing quizzes, you need to click on the Quiz tab. Before you start the quizzes and study material, you need to choose the board from the options by clicking on the Choose Board scroll button. As of now, there is only CBSE board in the option, but very soon we will include other state boards in it. After choosing the board, choose the correct standard from the options by clicking on the Choose Standard scroll button. You can further choose the particular subjects which you want to study by clicking the Choose Subject scroll button. You can select a chapter from the Choose Chapters drop-down list by clicking the checkbox. Here, you can choose multiple chapters from which you have to practice. After you have selected the chapters, you can click on Create Practice Quiz button. To create the quiz, it should be noted the quiz will be created from the chapters as chosen by you. After clicking on the Create Practice Quiz, a quiz window will open in which there are a number of multiple choice questions to practice. After attempting all the questions in practice quiz, you can submit the questions. You can find your result in My Quiz Result within a small fraction of time. You can analyze your performance by the pie charts and bar graphs. Green color represents the number of correct answers, red color represents incorrect questions, and blue color represents questions not attempted. Overall, chapter-wise performance can be viewed through a bar graph. In order to review the answers of the quiz, you have to click on the Review Questions button as shown in the above window. This is how you can review the questions. You can check chapter-wise performance also by selecting the appropriate board, standard and subject. It is represented by the graph. You can click on the Track Record tab to check all your past performances. Another very important feature of our application is the Suggestion button. You can see the suggestion based on your last performance, which is very much important for improvement. The suggestion highlights the weak and strong areas of the student based upon student's test history. The best part, for all your future references, all your test history is stored in the application. Hence, parents can view the test history of their child at any time they want. Also, the result of each and every test will be mailed to the email ID which has been entered during registration.